Potatoes gon' potate, taters gon' tate, and haters gon' hate.
Hi guys, so it's day 2 now of me cleaning my room and putting away all my stuff from Corvallis and merging it with my stuff in Portland and getting rid of things. I've unloaded the second car now, so here's some more clothes. Here's a lot more things, and here's some more things. I have my blanket here, some stuff off my walls, my heater. Took apart a dresser that's outside. I have another dresser over here. Currently, I am cleaning out my underwear and my bras and socks also. I wish I got you guys a before. I had basically all my underwear and sock and the bras just like thrown about out in there, but I'm trying to do them like Marie Kondo style and fold them all. But I can show you guys the socks. So that's kind of like what my other drawer looked like. These are all of the socks I have. Socks, leg warmers, tights. So I'm gonna clean through these right now real quick. So I finished. This is my drawer with my bras. I have my sports bras here. I have my normal bras here in bralettes, and I have my nice underwear, my spandex, and then my period underwear. Then down here, I have my socks. I have long socks here, I have leg warmers there, tights. I have socks that you wear, like shorter socks and like flats and stuff, and then just normal socks. So we've been playing Overcooked for it's only been maybe like a week. A little over a week. And we finally beat the game, Overcooked 1. It's been so fun. We literally got 3 stars on all of the levels except for one of the levels for the icy place where they have like that like 6th place that you have to finish for every single place. We only got 1 star for that, but everything else we got 3. Pretty proud of our achievement. Okay, so I realized that I didn't update you guys on the cardboard stuff yet. So here I have pictures. Everything is on my wall now. I have pictures of me with my friends here, the notes here, things from Korea here and here. This fan I got from China when I went. This fan I got from an Indonesian cultural night. This fan I got from a friend who brought it back for me from Vietnam. These things I made in Cinco de Mayo celebration. I have souvenirs and pictures of me here. My parents wanted me to keep pictures of me in my room, so they're just sitting there. And gifts. This wall has stayed the same. I want to redo it. I just don't know when or how I want to redo it. Over here, everything here are all souvenirs. Everything you see here and everything you see here. All souvenirs. I've cleaned this up a lot. It was covered all over. This is supposed to stay here. It's not sticking, so I have to find something else that will make it actually stay up. It's too heavy because it's like in a plastic holder. I put these posters up here. I like them, they look nice. I'm going to redo this whiteboard. I put my high school graduation cords here. So yeah, I still have a lot left to clean in my room, as you can tell. And on my bed. And I found a suitcase full of clothes. So I need to go through some more clothes, but stay tuned for more of my cleaning updates. Hi guys! Okay, so I'm done cleaning my room and I want to show you guys how it looks now. So, starting with like my wall here, I've shown you guys my wall. So I have all those things put up on my wall. This is from China, this is from Indonesia, this is from Vietnam. I have some traditional Romanian flutes here. all from different areas in Romania. I have organized my bed to look somewhat nicer. I have Mimi on my bed here with her toys. Over here, I put up a calendar. I took out that picture of me. Then I have this a little more organized. There's less things. I have this LED light strip that works again. And I put up in my room. And of course my desk here with my TV. These won't be staying here. These are like traditional Romanian, I forget what they're called, but I guess like kind of like pins. And you get them on the 1st of March when it's springtime. And they're supposed to resemble life. So like life and prosperity. So there's like, this is a rose, this is a heart, this is like a guitar, a flower, a lily, a fawn, a turtle, a basket of flowers, another heart with birds. So those are supposed to basically represent like life and prosperity and love because of spring. And the red and white string is supposed to mean something, but I don't remember what it means. But yeah, so I have those there. I have my Xbox under this. I have my computer set up down there with my laptop next to it and the outlet. I have all my games, some toys, some of my supplements. I have my other like little dresser here with my tissues in the back because I have really bad allergies. 2 of my candles, an oil diffuser. I have this light. It's a dog and like you can touch it and it changes colors. This thing that I got from my friend in Vietnam. Then in these drawers I have, these are like some electronic based things that I use quite often. In this drawer I have a whole bunch of cables, wires, and chargers. In this one I have all like my candles, my incense, my oils and essential oils. I only have one essential oil that I use on myself, which is this peppermint oil mixed with coconut oil for when I get really bad headaches. And all these other oils. These oils also you can use on yourself for like, this one's like good night. This one is for energy and this one is for focus. I don't really use them that much. But then I have like oils that I use in my diffusers. And then in here I have a whole bunch of skincare stuff in my skincare routine. Like facial cleansers and things like that. In this drawer I have kind of random things. This is like a candle melter. These are stickers because I want to have my stickers somewhere that was like easily accessible for me from my desk. So it's easily accessible for me from here. These are facial waxing strips. I have some like nail like paint that you can just stick on stickers. I forgot what this cream is for. And I have like a cuticle cream. And then down here I made dividers by myself to separate everything out. So here's crayons, pencils, pens, markers and highlighters, and lead and erasers and sharpeners. I just have my laundry basket, my tiger, like my taekwondo and judo stuff. These are just more clothes that I have to go through and sort out and find out which ones I want to keep, which ones I want to give away, and then fold and put away. You saw my souvenirs here already, everything. I put up this poster here. I put up my CJ McCollum jersey on my door. I have this air freshener that my friend got for me from Vietnam. Then in here I have really organized and cleaned things up a lot. So these are like papers and stuff and memories that I want to keep. Some more memories that I want to keep. Up here I have my makeup in all of these bags. I have all my like bags and purses here and a wallet. Here I have like my nail clippers, tweezers, toothbrushes, this lotion. I have all my jewelry, my necklaces, my earrings, and more jewelry all around there, some in the back, hair ties. Down here I have some more clothes, but I also have like supplements and like things for like pain and stuff. I have my lotions here, I have perfumes there, I have perfumes all in the back. And then I just have like my closet, like all my clothes cleaned out through. Down here I have like more things, so I have like just some random things that I might need. And over here I have like my towels, I have my DS, I have pads and tampons. So yeah, that's about everything. Everything is cleaned out, everything is really nice. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching me finally clean my room and finish everything. And please watch, like, subscribe, comment, and share if you want. Thank you. See ya.